In the metals markets today, I want to focus on gold. Gold down slightly on the day. 1321.95 was the level, down about 0.5%. We saw a pretty nice range in gold today. 1331.95 was the high. 1318.80 was the low. We saw it settle just above that 1320 level, a psychological level for gold, holding above there, coming back above there this afternoon. And I can tell you, when you saw the pricing of gold today, some of the factors that appeared to be influencing the gold complex, number one was the global unrest when we saw uncertainties coming out of India and Pakistan. Now, Pakistan shot down 2 Indian fighter jets earlier this morning, and with that, we saw gold at its highs. We saw gold up over 1330. Now, it didn't seem to build too much on itself, at least throughout the day, and we saw gold come under some selling pressure as those tensions didn't really escalate beyond where they are currently. And again, the markets are keeping a close eye on what's unfolding over there. So as we continued to move through the day, we had other factors, and none of the other factors, I think, is from a technical standpoint. Now we're seeing gold trending lower now, where it's been down 4 out of the last 5 days. After pushing up to that 1350 level, we're seeing it now trending lower. So again, from a technical standpoint, coming off in 1320 level, I think is a psychological level, and not only psychological but technical level for gold when you look at the chart patterns. And the other thing that I think is influencing gold today is the Fed. Now, we had Fed testimony once again today from the chairman in front of the Congress, and with that, we saw the gold fluctuate based on what he said, and not so much on what he said about gold, because it was more about the interest rate environment and the U.S. dollar. And as we saw the interest rate environment shift on the testimony coming out of the Congress today, we also saw gold react to that, and that's what pushed gold down on the day, I believe, as we saw interest rates move higher. We saw the dollar rally back from the lows, and with that, when we saw gold come under some selling pressure this afternoon and closing just above the lows of the day, right around that 1321 level.